Hello, here I'm going to show you how to blog on your Inspire study space, and in order to do this, best place to go to is the My Desk option in the left hand menu. And by that, what I guess we're trying to convey is that this is an area for your outputs where you might have some cognitive space to think about the Inspire module and your plans for it, and begin to formulate that into some kind of written or blogged account of your development through the module. So there's some introductory text at the top there which you can feel free to edit if you want to, but the key thing about this page is that it is a blog page and has this new post button at the bottom. So I'm going to click on new post, and it will then give me the option to change the title of that post. So I'm going to say my first blog post, and then it's just like writing a Word document. So you can just type in your ideas, and when you're happy with that, you could save it. It does, of course, also have the additional benefit of allowing you to include some multimedia within your blog. And for example, I'm just going to show you how you might do this. I've got some video reflections on YouTube that I've previously uploaded that I now want to include in my Inspire blog. And so in order to do that, you navigate to the video that you want to use, you click on the share button, and you just need to pick up this web address here. So I'm going to press Ctrl+C to copy that. And then I'm going to go back to my post on my Inspire site, and I now want to insert that video. So in order to do so, I go to the Insert and YouTube option, and I can then just paste in the URL using Ctrl+V. I'm going to say I don't particularly want to include a title, but I'm going to leave the border on, and I could, if I wanted to, alter the size, but I'm going to leave it at that smallest option, and then click on Save. You then get the option to decide whether or not you want the text to wrap around it. There's various different property settings that you can go back to and alter if you want to, but once you're happy with that, you click on Save. And it might just take a moment to publish, and once the changes are published, you'll see that your video is embedded within your blog, and that should play from there. Okay, so the benefits, of course, as I say, are that you begin to formulate your ideas for Inspire, that you can include video and images within your blogs, and also that you might at this stage begin to want to share some of that content. At the moment, it will be private to you and an admin account at the university, but imagine that you've done some video reflections or written reflections that you want to share with your mentor. You could do that through going in through the Share option, and then your mentor could come along and add some comments at the bottom of the page. So let's just tap that in, and you can then have a conversation through the comments option. So it's one of the key affordances of blogging is that it can be a collaborative, shared enterprise.